Hi guys, welcome to Indulge, where we tingle your taste buds. Today, I'm excited to share with you how to make these jaw-dropping, healthy almond biscuit chicken burgers. When they say finger-licking delicious, this is the first thing that comes to mind. First off, to make the biscuits, I have 2 cups of finely sifted almond flour, 2 eggs, salt, curry powder, garlic powder, baking powder, spring onions, and some cheddar cheese. Add the spices, salt, and baking powder to the flour and give that a quick mix. Mix this thoroughly until the lumps of baking powder are no more. Add some coconut oil to the eggs as well and give your eggs and oil a quick whisk. Then add the spring onions to the flour and incorporate the egg mixture and mix to combine. Then add about half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, Once everything is well mixed, take a spoon and start shaping the biscuits. Then transfer them onto a lined baking tray. Do this for the rest of your dough. This recipe yields about 9 biscuits. Now before they go into the oven, coat each piece with some roasted sesame seeds. And bake these at 180 C for about 25 minutes. Take half a pound of minced chicken and add some curry powder, garlic powder, and a pinch of salt. Then crack in 1 egg and give that a good mix. The consistency might look runny, but that's what it should be. Next, heat up some oil in a pan and shape out the burger with a spoon, and about half a spoon is enough. Try to shape it as round as you can. Let those cook on one side for about a minute and then flip them. And then let them cook for the same amount of time on the other side. About 3 minutes in, your burgers should be ready. Our biscuits are out of the oven and look how gorgeous they are. Let them cool for about 10 minutes. While those cool off, throw the chicken burgers into the oven for 10 minutes at 180 C. Finally, for the dressing sauce, heat up some ghee in the pan and then add a bit of tomato paste and tahini sauce. Tahini is basically sesame seed paste. It's very rich, creamy, and healthy. Bring that to a boil and add some water if it's a bit thick. Once you get a nice thick consistency, set it aside. Once your chicken is out of the oven, plate that bad boy up. I added some pickled onions and cucumber. Tell you what, the pickle takes it to a whole level of delicious. I've put the link in the description on how to make your own homemade pickles. Assemble your burger and then dig in. This is super juicy from the pickle and creamy with the tahini, and not to mention the cheesy biscuits. So enjoy this bad boy without guilt, cause it's so indulgent yet healthy. Give this a try and be sure to let me know how it turns out. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share and subscribe. Plus, turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out on anything. Once again, thanks for watching. Till next time.